The Galaxy Note series is officially dead, confirms Samsung. Ever since the launch of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in February, everyone had been wondering about the future of the ever-popular Note series in Samsung's smartphone portfolio. And well, the Korean giant has put an end to the dilemma and officially confirmed that the Galaxy Note series is dead. Yeah, we will no longer see any new Note series phones in the future. Check out all the details right here. Galaxy S Ultra is equal to new Galaxy Note. At the Samsung booth on the MWC 2022 show floor, Ro Tae-moon, the head of mobile experience at Samsung Electronics, told reporters, via Korean publication Dalian, that the Galaxy Note series will come out as the Galaxy S series Ultra moving forward. So yeah, the iconic Galaxy Note moniker has been phased out. But the key features and highlights of the series, including its chunky build and S Pen slot, live on. For those unaware, the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra were the last Note phone and were launched back in 2020. The company skipped on a Note series phone last year and added S Pen support to the Galaxy S21 Ultra. And this year, Samsung took a huge step and released the Galaxy S22 Ultra, which is an amalgamation of the Galaxy Note and S series. If you haven't been keeping track, the Galaxy S22 Ultra launched alongside the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus earlier last month. It is reminiscent of the Note series as opposed to the S series, all thanks to its chunkier build and the built-in S Pen slot. We even wrote a comparison between the Galaxy S21 Ultra versus Galaxy S22 Ultra to actually show the latter is more Note-like than an S-series phone. Galaxy S22 Ultra has marked the start of the transition, and we will see more Note-centric features in upcoming Galaxy S Ultra models. Now, as for readers wondering why Samsung needed to kill off the Galaxy Note series, well, it is to make way for the company's growing foldable portfolio. The Korean giant is leading the foldable segment with its Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip models, and we expect Samsung to increase focus on these lineups in the near future. With the Note series, which usually launched in September each year, officially dead, we can expect new foldable phones to arrive in the latter half of the year going forward.